Alright, this is my Husqvarna 610. It's actually a VCX 400, but from 1995. But somebody put in a 610 engine, which is going to be awesome to try, because I just bought it and I haven't tried it because of course it needs fixing as everything else I buy. So where's the plastic? Yeah, I will show you. Let me go into my sauna, which has become a painting booth. I think it's gonna be cool, and I will give you the next clue. Yes, yeah, it's gonna be another Golf. I'm gonna paint the rims 50-50, blue and orange. Put on some spoke stuff. I got new blue grips, new headlight. This is gonna be changed, of course. And what's cool about this bike is this part. Look at this end. I mean, like the Swedish, they really know how to make something interesting. Look at that exhaust. It goes under the seat, back on to the other side. That's awesome. My ass is gonna be toasty when I ride this, I'm sure. And it's also weird, in my mind, they have two exhaust on a single bore cylinder. Why not? KTM has it too. And okay, KTM now owns Husqvarna and Husqvarna, but yeah. And to keep warm, here is my Chinese diesel warmers, which are connected to a battery, which is all the time in charging. And I start this two bad boys from my bed when I'm having my morning coffee, and when I come down it's like 18 plus Celsius here in like 30 minutes. So if you have a garage, it's like $100 each. So, and for $100 you can buy like a small electric oven instead, but that's just stupid. Here is my lifting table. As soon as you get some gray hair, you're gonna need a table like this. Thank you for watching. Oh, I forgot. Check what I have. This is going to be like an engine plate underneath here. So whenever the next owner does a wheelie, everybody can see it. It's going to be, I think it's a really good idea. I saw something else like a children play sign or whatever, but yeah, and I saw this. Why not?